Do you have a boost week built into your schedule? At our company, we have Boost Week once a quarter. Now, during this time, we skip the usual meetings and routines and only focus on catching up, reflecting, and cleaning out our workloads. It's easy to get bogged down in daily tasks and forget to recalibrate. So I'm a big proponent of cleaning out and reflecting. The best ideas come when you're in the zone, which is hard to achieve when you're amidst chaos and clutter. You owe it to yourself to have a week to clean up, get clear on your to-do list, and reassess your priorities. A simple priority test: how much money will it cost versus how much it will make? If it's not making money, it might not be a top priority. If it's something you really want to do, well, you'll get pretty creative finding ways to make it work and generate that income. I love Boost Weeks. I never feel like I have the time for them, but afterwards, I'm always so grateful that I did it. We schedule them and then we stick to it no matter what. Regularly cleaning out what doesn't work allows you to focus on what does. So go ahead and give yourself a boost. Remember, you are the leader we have been waiting for, and I'm here to show you the power inside of you. So give me your heart. I promise I'm gonna be good to it. Click that heart below and follow me if you're a courageous leader who is ready to stop honoring fear, to start operating in the zone, and to step into your potential.